Hi, my name is Harrison and I'll be talking about how to share your screen in Zoom. Once you're in a Zoom meeting, you can scroll over the bottom of the screen to see a few actions. Select the action titled Share Screen. From here, you'll see the different screens that you can share, either the current monitor that you're on, an external monitor, or individual tabs that you have open on your desktop. I'll share my current screen. As you can see, Zoom automatically minimizes my video and shows the desktop that I have shared here. When you're ready to stop sharing, simply click Stop Share. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to learn more about Zoom meetings or other Meeting Tomorrow services, check out the links in the video description. We specialize in producing both live and virtual events around the country and are here to help.